you need in your teeth whitening kit? Whether you're going mobile or you're in a salon, there are some basics that everybody should have on hand as a professional. Number one, gloves. You should have gloves when you're touching your machine, when you're touching your kits, anything that you're touching, you should be wearing gloves at all times. Some other things, I love just a little plastic caddy, and inside is almost everything I need to perform a teeth whitening treatment on the go. When you're using an LED light, it's essential to have the glasses. I know they're super beautiful, but they protect your client's eyes from the bright light of the LED machine. Even in the take-home kit, the LED light is extremely bright and can damage eyes, so it's great to have these on hand. You need alcohol prep pads. You'll be surprised at how many things will fall on the ground or you need to get cleaned up and sanitized quickly, and that will help you achieve that. Amazing little spit cups, right? It's really for rinsing. You can get these anywhere. We're gonna provide links to all of the items that you need below. You can get most of them on Amazon, but these cups too, you can get at your local drugstore. Dental clips, these are great. You probably want to have a few of these on hand in case they break or you have multiple teeth whitening treatments. In every Bronzeberry teeth whitening kit, you do get a dental bib. You can use that as a placemat, or you can use it for your client around their neck, okay? So with the dental clips, you clip one on, wrap it around, clip the other side, and then this is, of course, disposable. When you're finished with your client, please make sure to wipe the dental clip down with an alcohol prep pad. So this is very similar to what you see at the dentist. You can also purchase your own dental bibs to have extras on hand. Again, the link will be below. That's in my basic kit.